Hello, Pisces. Hello, my friends, and welcome to your card reading for this week. I got this Zen Tarot, and I just thought, wow, those are so beautiful, colorful, so creative, so wonderful. And I picked a card for all of you. I will be doing coffee cup reading tomorrow, so don't forget to come and watch it. But for today, you're getting a card, and guess what you got? Integration. Look at that. Look how beautiful, how colorful, how beautiful. Look into the card. What do you see? What do you see? How many things you can see in that card? Do you see the snake? The snake is the power of consciousness. She has her other end in her mouth. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. What that mean? What that mean? It's all about the dualities in here. Look at that yin and yang in there. Look at the swan and the eagle. Look at the lotus on top. It is like you bringing that dualities all together as one. It is all about the feminine and male energy in each one of us. Where do we need to go down? Where do we need to go up? Where do we need to let go of? Where do we need to learn some from? You know, what is it that we need to do? Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. The eagle is the power, is all about the power. And let me see what it said. And then eagle is the embodiment of power and aloneness. The swan is the embodiment of a space and a purity, gently floating and driving upon and within the element of the emotions. The feminine energy in the eagle is the male energy. You cannot say this is the way I want to be or that's the way I want to be, because you are both. You are both. You have to bring them together as one, or you will have split personality. Morning you are one thing, the night you are something else. Well, this is a beautiful card, something to think about. And when I think of you getting this card, it's like, okay, are you too much in male energy? Ladies, are you too much in male energies? Are you doing too much? Are you giving too much? Do you work? When you hit bed, you're just so dead, you fall asleep right away. What is it you're doing? Are you the one who's taking care of the household? Are you the one that work and you come home and you have to cook, no help, and clean and wash dishes and do whatever, right? I mean, think of it this way. This is the male energy. The male are the man that the eagles, that they are aloneness. They go outside to the field and they bring food to their family so they can survive, right? They hunt. The woman is all about the emotions, the feeling, taking care of everybody else. Sometimes we overstep our boundaries. And you know what? I did that. I stepped my boundaries in the male energy. I didn't have many choices. I think I did. I just didn't know. I didn't know that I have a choice. I thought I got to do it all because here I am a single mom, 4 kids, so I had to do it all. But I'm gonna tell you, your power come together when you blend 2 sides together in balance. When you blend them in balance, this is when your power show up, okay? So learn to do that. There are many ways for you to stop and assess yourself. And if you need help, you need to reach out to somebody to help you figure it out. But anyway, tomorrow we have our coffee cup reading, and I'll say you know, go to the other signs and look at their cards. They are beautiful, beautiful. Just go and listen to the message in there. Very short. So you take care, my friends, and I wish you all the best. Bye-bye for now.